Hello everybody, today in front of me I have nothing phone 1, and in this video I would like to show how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So as we all know, unfortunately you cannot get the Fortnite directly from the Play Store. So first thing that you want to do is to open up any search engine that you'd like. At the search bar type in Fortnite APK, just like so. Among the search results, you want to look for the official Epic Games website. Here, tap on the Get It on the Epic Games app button and download the file. Now let's go ahead and open it, install the Epic Games launcher, and, well, open up the launcher. After which, tap on the Get button that is located in front of a Fortnite and download the game. After that, prior to installing the Fortnite, it is required that we allow Epic Games Launcher to install unknown apps. So let's go ahead and turn this toggle on, confirm the Fortnite installation, and as you can see, the Fortnite game has been successfully downloaded and installed. And now all that you need to do is to wait until the game will download all required resources and updates, and after that you will be able to start playing it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.